What fascinates me about this time and this phase that we're in the workplace is that we're able to take away a lot of what was frustrating for people about the ways that we've been working. Performance appraisal being done twice a year, leaders working in a way where they feel it's necessary to command and control, people working within silos. All of this is being challenged. Some of the developments with digital technology, with automation, have really liberated the entire workforce from end to end. People are actually in roles where they can excel, where they can get some value, where they're aligned to their purpose. And I think the workplace of the future just lends itself to that so much more than anything we've had in the past.